新年快乐! I think Chinese New Year is a very happy festival. Everyone gets together, they have some really nice food and they chat. It's a very warm and loving feeling. 吃泰是年味，新年快乐，虎虎生威。 So we're here at Guiyuan today. It's actually 500 years old this year, which is absolutely amazing if you think about it. Everyone's out having a good time. I'll show you around. 大家好，我叫爷爷等. I am from the UK and I've lived in China for about 4 years now. Right now I live in Jiading in Shanghai and I work at a middle school. I'm a 数学老师. I really like living here in Jiading because the nature is fantastic. There's lots of green parks around and lots of really nice things to see. There's also a lot of history, and if you want to go downtown to modern Shanghai, it's only a short taxi drive away. Shanghai is really famous for its xiaolongbao, and in Jiading, in Nanshan town, is actually where the xiaolongbao were first made. So it has a lot of old traditional history that's really nice to see. 看起来这个是很简单的，但是我过来很难的。Also nearby my house, there is the Shanghai Automobile Museum, which is really interesting. They have all types of cars and loads of history about cars, which I really enjoy. All of my family are really into cars. And I also got to have a ride in a 1964 Rolls-Royce, which was just absolutely amazing. So I recently just signed another 2-year contract here in Jiading, Shanghai. And I was thinking, why did I decide to stay here even longer? Well, I really enjoy the environment. It's very peaceful here in Anting New Town. During the pandemic, it's quite difficult to travel from country to country right now. So I hope that my videos can serve as a window into what real life is like here in China. And I hope that you can see just how fantastic China is, and I believe that you will love it just as much as I do.